If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries. In today's video, I'll show you how you can drill holes in plastic cups without using a drill machine. Here I have taken plastic sundae or ice cream cups. I'll drill holes on the sides. I'm using a burning incense stick to drill holes, as you can see here. You need to hold the burning end of the stick lightly against the plastic and let it burn into the desired size of hole. This technique has always been my staple technique for drilling holes in plastic containers. Alternatively, you can warm up a sharp piece of metal like a safety pin and hold it against the plastic. The downside is that you'll have to repeat it innumerable times. So here's a close-up of how the little holes look like. So you see, you do not always need a drill machine or a soldering iron to drill holes in plastic. You can easily use a burning incense stick. For thicker plastic, you might have to ignite the stick multiple times, as with the melting plastic, the stick might get extinguished. Do try out this technique this gardening season and recycle all those plastic containers for gardening instead of throwing them away.